Hey, what's going on? Good to see you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, just bookmarking my Facebook page and checking in with me, just seeing what's going on. Okay, I'm a big fan of Live Good. All right, I've made thousands and thousands and thousands of videos just chatting about the experience. I joined March of 2023, and here it is about a year and a half later for me, and 2-year birthday for Live Good, December 13th of 2024. So in a month or two. And boy, I'll tell you, what growth. All right, we've got like 30, 40 products. We have 1.5 million members and affiliates worldwide in over 200 countries. And we're doing about $15 million of sales of product. And that's exciting for a membership-based website like us. Okay, you don't have to buy products during commissions. Isn't that nice to know? And when you buy our products, if you have $9.95, my gosh, you can buy at wholesale prices. Okay, so what I recommend is check out Live Good products, and if you like them, please buy them. You have 90 days, 3 months to enjoy them. And if you, I don't know, 2 months later, you just forget you even bought them and you need money, send the products back, get a full refund. Even if the products have been opened or used all the way to the max, send those bad boys back to Jupiter, Florida, and get your money back, please. Okay, I'm a big fan of that. That's how I became involved with Live Good. I was just simply a customer. And then when I looked at the prices wholesale as a member, that's when I joined at $9.95. I was saving about 30 to 40 bucks a month by being a member. So if you want to do the $9.95 a month, or if you have 99 bucks and 99 pennies, you can join for the year. Okay? So you get 12 months for the price of 12 months for the price of 10. Not bad. The $40 is a one-time fee to be an affiliate. That's a lifetime charge, guys. One and done. Okay, that's important. It's not $40 a year. And that $9.95 a month, I always watch Ben Glinsky LIVEGOOD. He says, I'm not changing the price. If anything, you know what we've done? We have lowered prices because he says the more people join and buy Live Good products, his buying power is now higher. On par with, like, let's say, Walmart. Okay, when you're buying more product, more ingredients, you're probably going to get a better deal. You know, bulk pricing. Why do you think people like to go to, like, Costco, for example? Which is another excellent example of a membership-based website that's very successful. Well, that's what Live Good's future is going to consist of. A lot of people, millions of people, paying $9.95 a month to simply go in the back office of livegood.com and shop. We have shirts, we have hats, we have ingredients listed, the pricing, 90 days return, no questions asked. As far as the guarantee, pretty cool, right? And as far as that is concerned, Nodder, who's our field developer, okay, he's in charge of, he's the VP of marketing, that's what I like to call him. He just says our return ratio is about 0. Because I know in my guts, our products kick ass because I use them. And you can look at our products and pricing because everything we put in each product is put online. Now I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay? There's no secrets with Live Good. It's like you're playing poker and all the cards are up. Okay? There's no secrets. There's no fake to make. Okay? There's no bait and switch with this company, and that's why I'm a proud affiliate and member. And I have a hat, I have a shirt. Well, I have hats and shirts, and I cut all the sleeves off, of course. And all the hats, I keep forgetting to wear them during my videos. But you know what? They're nice little hats. So let me show you. Please just go to the products tab. Now, if you've joined Live Good already, it's going to say shop. Okay, because I'm logged in right now. So if you see livegood.com/shop, that's because I'm logged in. But if I'm logged out, it's just called the products tab. Go through all the products, click the white rectangle boxes, and go through each product. Okay, these little thumbnails, they show the stickers of the container. Here's membership price, $9.95 a month. Look at that, you're saving $6 just on this E3, which I highly recommend, especially if you're tired, sluggish, need energy. Put this product in anything, coffee to water to put in Gatorade. Milk, I don't know. How to use, seals of approval, all of our ingredients listed, even our competition. Okay. And of course, some product reviews of real people, by the way. We don't need to fake it to make it. Okay. So when it comes to Live Good, you got to ask yourself, do you want to use the products? Do you want to resell them like a store? Maybe you have an Amazon account and you want to sell Live Good products. You know, if you go to walmart.com into the search section, put in Live Good, one word, boom. There's Live Good products for sale, but you're going to have to pay retail. Because Walmart, you have the same buying power as Walmart from our company. We manufacture the products. We own the plastic containers or whatever package they come in. Ben Glinsky, our owner, pays cash for everything. We have nothing financed. We have distribution centers going all over the world. Okay? He has a cash surplus of millions at all times. And all of our inventory, which he said at any given day, is well over $15 million in worldwide inventory. Okay? Flush with cash. Awesome. Okay? We're going places. I sure hope that if you're watching this video and you have not joined yet, that you join me. Because I'm going to tell you what I do to make enough money with Live Good and a couple other opportunities that help Live Good get leads, traffic, people to look at this link, joincory.com. Can you see it? Those are my business cards. $25, $30, big old box will last me a year on a street level. I might hand them out. And people just go watch short videos. Okay? And if you join, you're going to have your own capture page, your own website, your own customer service is already handled. Shipping, receiving, all that pain in the ass stuff is taken care of by Live Good. All for $49.95. And if you want to join, like I said, for the year, $99.95, 12 months for the price of 10, $40 one time. So for $139.95, guys, you are done for the whole year. You are a member, you're an affiliate. Sit back, relax, and let's get real good at getting you inviting people to watch short little videos. That's all I do. Business cards, go to GoDaddy, get fun little domain names for like $11, and then have them forward to little videos already produced. If you think you can do that, please join my team, because that's what I encourage and that's what I teach or advise. If it's called little tips, what's the secret? What's the gossip? It's making things simple. All right. You can see right above my head, I think you can see a KISS drum set. You can see a fountain right there from Love Gun. KISS. Keep it simple, silly. I know you can do this. That's why I do video. I can't get back time. Time to me is more precious than ever because I'm born in the 60s. Am I going to be here in another 100 years? I doubt it. Am I going to be here in 50 years? I don't know. But if I am, I'm not going to look like this. I'll probably have a haircut because all my hair will fall out by then. So anyway, guys, thank you for your time. Okay. I've been yapping for 8 minutes. And all I want you to do is please go to joincory.com. Watch that video. And if you like what you see, put your name and email address in the little box. Let's lock you in. You're not joined yet. You got to go to the Live Good email, click it, open it up, and you can read about Live Good. You can join if you want. And if you don't want to, Live Good will send you one email per day for 30 days. It's their own built-in autoresponder. How cool is that? And if you are getting email messages daily from Live Good and you don't want them anymore, please just go to the bottom of the email and opt out. Okay? Peace and love. Very easy system. We have a new marketing campaign coming out. All right? That involves emails. Okay? And of course, a co-op where if you have a couple bucks, you can buy some nice leads and have them go to the Live Good capture page, which I'm sure we're going to have a couple just nice and hot and fresh for you guys. Okay, it's mid-October of 2024 as I produce this video. The new co-op, the new marketing system should be debuting within 1 to 2 weeks, according to CEO Ben Glinsky. So if you're watching this video around November 1st or after, the new marketing system is probably already out. But if you're watching this before November 1st of 2024, give it another week or two. I think he's going to debut emails first. And then, of course, the whole marketing system, which is free. And then if you want to go ahead and spend a couple bucks for some leads that go into that capture page, which I highly recommend, especially if you don't want to do video, you don't want to do social media, and you don't want to hand out any business cards, if the situation occurs, then let's look into co-op. Let's look into paid traffic. I have a lot of friends that just don't have time to market like I do, but they make money and they don't mind spending $50 here, $100 there, maybe more. But you know what? If you can spend 100 and it brings back 200, you scale that up, don't you? Even if you spend 100 and you make 150 back, that's pretty darn good. Okay, so we're going to get into scaling and looking at some statistics, especially when the co-op and the marketing system debuts. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys. I'm serious. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about Live Good, get a hold of me, please. I've learned a lot over the last year and a half about the ownership, the system, how to recruit, and most importantly, let's make you some darn money. Okay, relax. I don't care if you have zero experience. You're almost better off. You don't have all those old-fashioned MLM knocking on door type of tricks and tips and things that used to work back then and have zero effect now. Okay, so if you have zero experience, all right, I'm your boy. I'm your guy. I'm your grandpa. Okay, all right, peace and love, guys. Okay, let me hold up my business card one more time. Joincory.com. All right, just go do it. Can you see it? I think you guys can. All right, take care. Have a good day.